How do I know if my home's layout is causing HVAC problems? You may have a layout problem if some rooms stay much hotter or colder than others, airflow feels weak, energy bills rise, or your heating and cooling system runs for unusually long periods. Start by checking whether problem rooms are far from the heating and cooling equipment, separated by many doors, or located above garages, near large windows, or under poorly insulated roofs. Open floor plans can also cause trouble because air may move freely in one area but fail to reach closed bedrooms and hallways. High ceilings and stairways can let warm air collect above where people live, while return air vents may be too small or missing from important rooms. A useful test is to close all exterior doors and windows, then hold a thin tissue near each supply and return vent to compare airflow. Check rooms at the same time because different temperatures throughout the day may point to sunlight or insulation rather than equipment failure. Keep supply vents open and avoid blocking them with furniture, curtains, or rugs. One lesser-known issue is pressure imbalance. If a closed room has a supply vent but no return path, air pressure can build up and reduce airflow, sometimes pulling dusty or damp air through cracks. You can improve this by keeping doors slightly open, adding a transfer grill, or asking a qualified contractor to test the system with a pressure and airflow measurement. A common mistake is blaming the thermostat when the real problem is poor air movement, so compare temperatures in several rooms before replacing it. Another mistake is closing vents in comfortable rooms to force more air elsewhere, which can raise duct pressure and strain the system. Instead, have the ductwork balanced. People also often ignore insulation and window exposure, so note whether the warmest room has direct afternoon sun or an unconditioned space beside it, then improve ceiling and insulation before making major equipment changes. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.